Getting colder.
I know. We say absolutely freezing now. Yes, Rachel, you're correct. This morning it is absolutely freezing in some spots because we're at 33 right now in Birmingham and 29 in Gadsden. But subtract about 10 degrees, that's what we're going to be feeling like New Year's Day. So just bundle up because we are in for quite a cold start to the new year. And this isn't just a cold snap. We're talking about multiple days of this very cold weather. These temperatures right now, these are going to be our highs on New Year's Day. So that gives you a little perspective on just how chilly it'll be. We have a really Arctic front that is going to be tracking our way, and then notice these showers off to our west. Those are going to start to track our way, and where that really cold air meets those showers, they could change over to some freezing rain. That's why we have the winter weather advisory in effect for West Alabama tomorrow morning. This starts at 3 a.m., so we want everyone to stay tuned right here to CBS 42, especially tomorrow morning, because we'll be tracking that potential for any freezing rain. Here's the setup. Really cold Arctic air is pushing south, and notice this bit of moisture that's funneling out of the Gulf. Where those two squish together and meet, that's that area that could see the freezing rain and even a changeover to sleet. There's not enough water really high up in the air to create any snow, so you're likely not going to be seeing anything much different outside other than a few rain showers. But the freezing rain, the second it hits the ground, it can freeze over in some spots. So while it will have isolated and not huge travel impacts, still, if you're driving west, really in this area south of Interstate 22 and west of 65, that's where you could encounter some slick spots. So when you're driving, there may be a thin glaze of ice on the road in some spots, bridges, overpasses, areas of higher elevation. Be very careful. Notice by 11 a.m. we're still seeing that mix in Tuscaloosa County. The rain will continue to push to our south throughout the afternoon into the first part of the evening. So this is going to be in and out of here because we have really dry air with that very cold air that'll be funneling in here through midnight. So these are the areas, once again, West Alabama, Tuscaloosa County, Bibb, Clanton, Perry County, Greene, Hale, and Pickens County, even up into Fayette County, where those temperatures are at that freezing level tomorrow. A few degrees can make quite the difference in the potential for some ice. So once we get rid of this tomorrow morning, you can ring in the new year without any issues, but it is going to be chilly. Very cold air will be streaming in here, so it'll be breezy and frigid. It'll be 24 at midnight, but falling from there, and in Coleman it'll already be in the teens. If you're going to New Orleans for the Sugar Bowl, you're not getting much of a break from the cold air. It is going to be cold down there too. All of us feeling this really cold air, and then we have a hard freeze watch that goes until Wednesday, maybe even extended because of these temperatures each morning starting off in the teens and only climbing into the 30s